Hello, Miss and everyone. I am Muhammad Ghazali Fari from 1B uh, Accounting Department, and I will explain my comment about the script that I create from Aldi. And the topic is the weakness of the rupiah. And let's let's straight into the topic. Number one, we discuss is introduction. In the Aldi's script, we do not have the introduction. Uh, Aldi just strikes into the main topic in here. He doesn't he doesn't make the introduction like to say good morning or hello everyone. So my suggestion or a critic is make a good presentation, need a hook to capture the audience attention, like greetings, self-introduction, or give a question, how or why the weakening of the rupiah matters to the audience. So in this, um, we we have this is introduction introduction in here, and the number two is body or goals. In the body or goals, I think um, the body or goals from the this script is very clear or useful on the topic, but in the language from this body, it's it's to like or feels feels a bit like a written essay. For a spoken presentation, try to use a shorter, more conversational and engaging sentence. And the last is the conclusion conclusion of the script. In the script, it's my suggestion is the script and abruptly after that advice. A proper presentation that requires a strong concluding statement like a summary or call to attention to action, and invite an invitation for a Q&A session, give give a audience to make a question or give a question to the writers about why the weakness of rupiah even happens or something like that, and a closing like say thank you to audience, and this is not. So this is a comment for me, and thank you guys.